Homai. It's rapidly the 30th of October. Hi, my name is Justin.
And today, Winton School, I'm Luke. Welcome to N.E.W.S News.
We start today with the mihi nunui to the Senior Kapa Haka group, scoring a third place at Nga Putangitangi yesterday.
Winton School won a big trophy for the most enjoyment and scored plenty of thirds and are second in various categories.
Kia ora to all the parents and teachers involved.
Okay, it's great seeing so many students with their Hi Viz vest on.
Most students are wearing them to school. Remember to wear them home too.
And a reminder this term, always wear your sunhats at playtimes and lunchtimes.
Anyone not wearing their hat will stay in the shade in the junior lunch area. Thank you.
Okay, on to te kupu o te wiki.
This week's word is Homai, meaning pass, as in Homai te poro, pass the ball.
A popo is ramiri, no sausage sizzle, but there is going to be the Lion's hot food van, so bring your money.
One more sleep until Pet Day. All the information was in yesterday's newsletter, and some Pet Day projects are getting underway after morning tea.
Touch News, a quick reminder for all Year 1 and 2 touch teams. Your practices are today at 12:45.
Can the Year 5 and 6 Winton Stags please meet their coaches at 12:45 today for a practice?
Please stay in the junior lunch area after you have eaten your lunch and wait for your coach.
Now, if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read the notices, you know where.
Late news just came in. Due to Pet Day entries, the library will be closed at lunchtime today.
Okay, that's us for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a popo.
Haere rā, Winton School.